Takes the win. He bogged down on the wall. Bike takes the win. That bike takes the win. Rematch, y'all, on Friday night, Shut Up and Race. Oh, y'all, Shut Up and Race. It's 12:35 at night. Track's still trying to work, y'all, all I can say. I told you we're running all night, we're running all night. We appreciate everybody coming out. Got Conceal in the lane right here on this side, right here. Gonna forget the Godfather. Rematch from last night, Friday night, Shut Up and Race. Conceal already in. Conceal already in. Here we go. Oh, blow turn the light on, wiggling. Good God Almighty. Yeah. Yeah. Now, that's what you call driving, y'all. That's what you call it. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't have took it that far, but Lord have mercy, y'all. I know it's late, y'all. All I can tell y'all, the track going away, but these are still good. Lord. Yeah. When we blow up, he didn't do it. Shut it off. Shut it off. Shut it off. Hey, blow! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on out here! Come on! Come on out here! Come on! Give me what I want! Give me what I want! Give me what I want!
Get your head!
Give me what I want! Oh boy! Did y'all have a good time, Shut Up and Race?
Bring him in, Ray.
All right, Timbo.
Good time.
Shake our ass on. Put me on the cylinder.
How do you like me right now?